So hey guys, what's up? This is Karan here, back with another video. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I've installed the latest build of MI Room, which is based on MIUI 12 20.5.21 beta version. You can see here this one is MIUI 12 current version, MIUI V12 20.5.21 weekly. Why this build is one of the best ever builds which you can try on any device. This build I have installed on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. I'll tell you which are the best things which you get here, and for all other devices you can install GSI as always, and the link for all those GSIs is already in the description, so make sure to check that. And now let's get quickly straight to the topic. Okay, so why this build is just awesome, especially for Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let me tell you why. Just wait and look at this. This is our super live wallpaper. This one is earth wallpaper. Just open and this is how it works. This is a super wallpaper which is pre-installed in this build, and yes, you are using this super wallpaper in Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is officially not supported, but yes, we get this experience right now on our device, which just looks awesome. As you can see, it works perfectly, and also there are no lags at all. I'm using from some device and I didn't got any lag yet. If you use GSI on other devices, you could feel some lags, but this build is just super smooth. And which are the things you get here? Let me show you all those features. Let me show you first of all camera. This one is actually based on Android 9. I will include both the GSIs which will be based on Android 9 and Android 10, and what are the differences you get in Android 9 and Android 10. We will talk about that later. Until then, you can see this is actually based on Android 9, so this does not include MIUI 12 camera. You can see this one is MIUI 11 camera, which is working perfectly. Photo mode, portrait mode, and all other things like that, these are working without facing any issues. Moving on further, let's check out some other things. As I already told you, super wallpapers are pre-included in this build, which is one of the main highlights of this build. If you talk about control center, that is also working perfectly without any lags at all. I'm using from some device, and here you have the option to choose the home earth wallpaper, or even if you want to choose any other wallpaper, you can choose that one. This is how earth wallpaper looks. And if you want to choose the red planet, you can choose that one also. How it will look, let me just show you. This is how it looks. This is how you can apply this directly from here, and after that you will see your home screen will look like this. Just lock your screen once and feel how it looks. Open this and here it is. This looks amazing and there are no lags at all. This is one of the best things. So moving on further, let's check out some other things. If we talk about weather, obviously from MIUI 12. If we talk about security app, this one is also from MIUI 12. If we talk about battery and performance, the latest battery and performance meter with all beautiful things. If we talk about battery backup, that is just great. I didn't got that much battery drainage from some time, so you can say that there are no big things which are draining the battery. Just moving on to settings, you can see SIM cards and mobile networks, WLAN, Bluetooth connection, sharing, all other things are same like that. Always on display is not working here. Obviously this is Redmi Note 5 Pro and this will not work for your device. All other things are almost same, like wallpaper carousel and charging animation, etc. In display you have the feature of maximum brightness on call, which you can enable from here if you want, or even if you want to schedule it, you can schedule it also. This feature is only available in MI Room, and also it was available in MI Room's MIUI 11 base version. This one is MIUI 12 base version, so you can choose if you want to. You also get the dark mode option, which you can enable directly from here, or if you want to use adjust wallpaper to dark mode and schedule, all these settings are available here. Use new MIUI fonts, this option is also available, and you can see it's perfectly working. Or even if you want to change fonts, there are a lot of fonts available, but all these fonts are in Chinese, so it's not worthy to choose that. In status bar, you have the option to choose the toggles in minimized old shade and toggles in expanded old shade. If you want to customize these toggles, you can customize from here. You can also choose the color notification icons, connection speed, and you can also enable or disable the control center from here, but I don't think so it is a need of disabling the control center. This is perfectly working, and this is also one of the main highlights in MIUI 12. Some extra options like use old battery icon, hide alarm icon, and hide Bluetooth icon, everything is there and everything is perfectly working. Moving on further, sound and vibration, everything is same like other things. In home screen, you get some extra options like in general settings, you have the option of choosing the home screen with regular or app drawer, and swipe up on home screen to open search. You can choose the home screen layout here. You can also choose the memory status and blur app previews. And here's some additional settings like select left side menu to Google Feed or App Vault, whichever you like, you can choose that one. Search bar, app title in 2 lines, and show icon shadows and all these things. In password security, if you talk about in Redmi Note 5 Pro, there is a face lock and that is also working, and in other GSIs I am not sure about that. Additional settings, all the same features which are already included in all MIUI 12 based builds, and the normal MIUI 12 screen time, which includes dashboard and focus mode. All these things are almost same here, which I already shown you. The main highlight was the super wallpaper and the smoothness, no lags, and all things. So this was all from today's video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.